The Pontiac G6 is the embodiment of innovative design, striking styling, and technical advancement. G6 stands alone among sporty mid-size cars with a choice of 4 sophisticated engines and 3 transmissions, the longest wheelbase in its class, a 4-wheel fully independent suspension, more common in high-end sports sedans, and a high level of safety, including newly standard frontal side impact airbags and front and rear head curtain side impact airbags on sedan and coupe, and frontal side impact airbags on the convertible. For 2008, G6 is enhanced with new standard safety features, exterior colors, and standard OnStar. G6 is available in 3 body styles: a sedan, a coupe, and a retractable hardtop convertible. G6 sedan is available in 4 trim levels: G6 Value Leader, G6, GT, and GXP. G6 Coupe is available in GT and GXP trim, and G6 Convertible is available in a single GT trim. For 2008, the GTP trim becomes GXP. Throughout this video, we'll highlight G6's many outstanding features. GXP models are discussed in a separate GXP series video. For more detailed information on G6 features, refer to the 2008 Pontiac Sales Consultant's Reference Guide. With its refinement, performance, and style, the 2008 G6 continues to be the class leader. Technology abounds under the hoods of all G6 models, with highly refined engines that offer proven performance. The G6 Value Leader and G6 Sedan are powered by a standard 2.4-liter ECOTEC 4-cylinder engine. This fuel-injected aluminum engine produces 169 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque. Next up is a 3.5-liter V6 with sequential fuel injection. Standard on GT models and available on G6 sedan as part of the Sport package, it delivers 219 horsepower and 219 pound-feet of torque in the sedan and coupe, and 217 horsepower and 217 pound-feet of torque in the convertible. A sequential fuel-injected 3.9-liter V6 variable valve timing engine is available on the convertible models as part of the Sport package. It produces 222 horsepower and 238 pound-feet of torque. All these engines are mated to an electronically controlled 4-speed automatic with overdrive. On GT models, this transmission adds manual shift mode, which allows the driver to control shift timing for the fun-to-drive sporty action of a manual with the convenience of an automatic. G6 provides the refined power and performance that mid-size segment customers crave. So be sure to let customers experience G6's addictive performance by putting them behind the wheel. Pontiac G6 uses the inherent stability of a wide stance and long wheelbase to enable responsive handling. The standard fully independent touring suspension features gas pressurized McPherson struts, coil springs, and stabilizer bar in the front. In the rear, there's a 4-link independent suspension with twin-tube gas shocks, dual-rate mini-block coil springs, and direct-acting stabilizer bar designed to control body roll and keep each wheel in contact with the road. GT models dial up the driving experience with a sport suspension that features thicker direct-acting front and rear stabilizer bars and an enhanced steering rack bushing. The GT convertible adds monotube rear shocks as well. Electric power steering is standard with G6 Value Sedan and 4-cylinder G6 sedan. This highly responsive system features variable assist, which automatically provides the right amount of steering assistance in all driving situations. Designed for vehicles with high horsepower and torque, hydraulic power steering is standard on GT models and available on G6 sedan as part of the Sport package. This system provides improved driver feel and steering feedback. New for 2008, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS and traction control are now standard on all G6 models. Traction control automatically adjusts braking and engine torque to provide enhanced traction whenever wheel slip is detected. To add further driving confidence, STABILITRAK dynamic control system is standard on the convertible and included with the 18-inch 5-spoke aluminum wheels available on GT sedan and coupe. STABILITRAK determines the driver's intent and optimizes vehicle control to help the driver maintain safe limits. Moving on to wheels, G6 offers 16, 17, and 18-inch wheels. 16-inch wheels are standard and only available on value leader. 17-inch wheels are standard on G6 sedan, and 17-inch cast aluminum wheels are available as part of the sport package. In the GT series, 17-inch Chrome Tech aluminum wheels are standard on coupe and sedan, and black Chrome Tech wheels are available. The convertible provides standard 18-inch aluminum wheels and available 18-inch ultra bright alloy wheels. Be sure to review the 2008 Pontiac Sales Consultant Reference Guide for detailed wheel and tire information. With its highly responsive suspensions, steering, and braking, G6 offers the confident vehicle control qualities that sport sedan drivers demand. All G6 models offer striking styling and technical advancement. What's more, a host of comfort and convenience features make the driving experience all the more rewarding. All models ride on a 112-inch wheelbase, the longest in its class. This long wheelbase improves ride and handling and also allows doors to be wider for easier entry and exit. With 18-inch wheels, standard on the convertible and available on the coupe, both models sit almost an inch lower than the sedan, further emphasizing the G6's sleek design, a sportiness underscored by a chrome-tipped exhaust outlet on GT models. Coupe or sedan buyers may choose a power tilt sliding sunroof. It's available on all trim levels except the G6 Value Leader as part of the Sun and Sound package. G6's long wheelbase and roof design contribute to a roomy cabin with plenty of rear seat legroom for adults, up to 3 feet of room in the coupe. Standard comfort and convenience features include power windows and locks, 4-way power driver's seat, tilt telescoping steering wheel, and air conditioning, with automatic climate control available on the convertible. Cruise control and remote keyless entry are also standard on all trim levels except G6 Value Leader. For added convenience, an optional factory-installed remote vehicle starter system allows the driver to use the key fob to start the car from as far as 200 feet away. Power adjustable pedals are also available. In combination with G6's standard tilt and telescoping wheel, they allow any driver to find the optimum driving position. In keeping with its sporty performance, G6 features highly bolstered performance seating, a 4-way adjustable driver's seat with manual height adjustment and ratcheting lumbar is standard on all trims, and a 6-way power seat is available on G6 sedan and GT models. Coupe and convertible models feature rear bucket seats for 2+2 seating and a rear console with cup holders. G6 also makes it easy to get to those seats. Coupe and convertible doors are 6 inches wider than the sedans and 2 to 3 inches wider than most competitive coupes. The front passenger seat also slides forward when the seat back is released. To complete the convenience, the driver's seat has a release button that can be easily reached from the rear seat. All models provide standard cloth seats. Nuanced leather accented seating is available on G6 sedan and GT models and includes heated front seats and 6-way power driver's seat. A leather-wrapped steering wheel, brake handle, and shift knob, along with steering wheel mounted audio controls, are standard on GT models and available on G6 sedan with a preferred package. A number of sound systems are available for the G6 customer. For 2008, the standard sound system on all G6 models except convertible is an AM/FM stereo with CD player. This deluxe system features an auxiliary input jack for iPod MP3 players, radio data system, seek and scan, speed compensated volume, theft lock, and equalizer. It also includes a driver information center with vehicle information, feature personalization, and warning messages. 6 speakers are standard for the Value Leader and G6 sedan. For an amplified listening experience, GT models include a standard MONSOON high-performance 8-speaker premium sound system. The 200-watt system includes a subwoofer and high-mounted tweeters. Standard on the convertible and available on GT Coupe and Sedan is an in-dash 6-disc CD changer with a random disc changer. XM satellite radio is available on G6 Sedan and, new for 2008, standard on GT Sedan, Coupe, and Convertible. With more than 170 channels and coast-to-coast digital performance, XM provides customers with the most entertainment choices wherever they are. Visit gm.xmradio.com for details. To further enhance the G6 driving experience, OnStar is standard on all G6 models for 2008. Several additional packages that group popular options are available with G6. These include the PCM Preferred Package, PCQ Premium Package, PCJ Sun and Sound Package, and the PDX Sport Package. Be sure to review the 2008 Pontiac Sales Consultant's Reference Guide for package details and availability. With its high level of standard equipment and with 3 body styles to choose from, G6 tosses out stereotypes and common expectations to reach for new levels of performance.